Welcome to Workzoom. In this short orientation, we will walk you through some key terminology and navigation tips to help you get comfortable using the platform with confidence. When you first begin with Workzoom, you will receive access to a sandbox, a safe test environment used to set up, explore, and validate your configuration without affecting live data. It is perfect for testing workflows, running sample pays, and training your team. Super user. During the initial sandbox setup, your organization will assign a super user, a key individual with full administrative access to Workzoom. This person will support system setup and testing, act as the main internal resource for questions and troubleshooting, have unrestricted access to all modules. The super user plays a critical role during implementation and after go live. Production environment. Once everything is tested and approved in the sandbox, your setup is moved to production, the live environment where real employees interact with Workzoom and all official data and transactions are managed. Section 1, Lingo you should know. Let's start with a few common terms you will hear at Workzoom. First up, the global search. This is the search bar that stays at the top of your screen no matter where you are in Workzoom. You can use it to find people, reports, pay runs, anything. Next, we have the search filters. These are area-specific filters, like the personnel filter, which helps you narrow down to a specific employee. You will find these search filters after navigating to a specific area, such as personnel or job profiles. Breadcrumbs are the grayed out links just below your company logo. These help you navigate back to previously visited pages. If you see two breadcrumb links, the furthest one to the right is your most recent page. A module refers to a specific functional area, like time off, timekeeping, or processing. Each dashboard corresponds to a specific module or page focused on a specific topic. In this instance, pay runs. Can-dos. Can-dos are tiles that allow an administrator to perform a specific action directly from the page that they are without needing to navigate to another section or area of Workzoom, such as hiring an employee. The personnel record is an employee's comprehensive profile in Workzoom. It houses all key information related to their affiliation, their role, and employment history within their organization. Within the personnel record, you will find the business relationship, which defines the nature of the employee's connection to your organization, such as employee, contractor, or board member. The business relationship start date marks when the individual began or rejoined their relationship with your organization. The seniority date is used to drive time off entitlements if it differs from the start date, their business relationship. The seniority level is used when an employee has negotiated a vacation entitlement above the standard offering. For example, if an employee has negotiated 15 days upon hire rather than the usual 10, the administrator will enter 15 in this field. The work details section outlines the employee's current role, which includes the work assignment start date. This reflects when the employee began this specific role. The worker class categorizes employees based on shared attributes, such as employment status, pay type, time off entitlements, time rules, and benefit eligibility. Together, these fields provide a full picture of an employee's position, history, and entitlements within Workzoom. Section 2, Basic Navigation. Navigating Workzoom is simple once you know where to look. Here's a quick overview of how to move around the platform. Navigating modules. To move between areas like time off, payroll, or personnel, use the left-hand side menu. Click the arrow in the top left corner to expand the menu, then select the module you would like to access. Reports. You will notice a bar graph icon in the top right corner of most pages. This is your shortcut to reports. To view all available reports, go to the Home dashboard and click the Reports icon. For module-specific reports, such as leave occurrences, navigate to that module to view the relevant data. Employee profiles. There are two main ways to access an employee's module-specific profile in Workzoom. Option 1. Use the global search bar at the top of your screen to search by the employee's name or person code. Once on their personnel record, navigate to the More tile to access the module-specific profile you would like to review. Option 2. Browse profiles from the module. From within a specific module, navigate to the More tile, select Profiles, search for the employee that you would like to review. This allows you to review and manage employee records from either a global or module-specific view. This allows you to access and review employee records from either a global or module-specific view. Using the pin icon. Want to stay on your current page but look something up elsewhere? Click the pin icon in the top right-hand corner to open a new Workzoom tab, allowing you to work across multiple pages at once. Switching between roles. If you have multiple roles, such as administrator, manager, or employee, select the role under your name, click the role you want to switch to, such as manager, to view your manager self-service experience. Logging out. To log out of Workzoom, click your current role in the top right corner. Select Log Out from the drop-down menu. That wraps up your introduction to Workzoom administration. By now, you should have a solid understanding of key Workzoom terminology, like Sandbox, Business Relationship, Worker Class, and Can-Dos, as well as how to navigate the platform with confidence, from using the global search and pin icon to switching roles, accessing reports, and exploring employee profiles. With these foundations in place, you are now ready to start exploring and testing in your Sandbox environment. Use this space to experiment, get comfortable, and build confidence before going live. If you ever need a refresher, you can always revisit this guide or reach out to your Workzoom liaison or support for assistance. Thanks for joining us, and welcome to the Workzoom experience.